In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this render scene in 3 minutes. This is how the scene looks like. The scene only contains 2 planes. This is the primary mesh that resemble random pyramids on the ground. It has displace, remesh, and shrink-wrap modifiers. This is how the original mesh looks like. I created a plane, went to Edit mode, right-clicked and S to subdivide it 100 times. After that, I added a light brown material. The first modifier was a displace modifier with a Voronoi texture. Here are the Voronoi texture settings. Then I remeshed the mesh. This is a great way to create a randomly scattered set of meshes on the ground. This is faster and easier than using particles or other methods. Please remember to place the mesh slightly above the world center, because we'll shrink-wrap it to a plane mesh below. I noticed mixing remesh and shrink-wrap created a random set of pyramid-like meshes. This is a material for the ground mesh. I didn't use nodes for this render, and here are my sky texture settings. I used 16 samples to save time, and the render result was good enough. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.